Hey guys, this is the auto reading today, 536.8 kilometers. It's time for the first service. Alright, let's meet in the service center. Alright, now we are in the service center getting this bike serviced. Wash is done. Now I've advised them to add the liquid moly engine flush shooter in the oil compartment and then run it for about 10 minutes. And I'm here in PRN service center, which is in HRBR layout or Kalyan Nagar in Bangalore. And this is my first service. It's around 540 kilometers. Here comes the mechanic. And these are the new components that will be going into the vehicle. One is the oil filter, and that's the oil, the 40. I'm not going to go for a liquid moly in this. I don't see a major difference in it, so I'm going to be using the TVS 24 Race Pro oil, which is a synthetic base. Alright, the service has started. We're putting in the engine oil shooter. And post this, will start it for about 10 minutes. Keep it in idle. Once the fairing is removed, the oil filter will be replaced, and then the oil will be drained out after about 10 minutes from now. Once again guys, I'm here in PRN Motors Service Center, which is in Kalyan Nagar, Bangalore. This is where I got my bike delivered. I had booked it on September 3rd, got it delivered on October 8th, exactly 45 days after booking online. I purchased this bike with a dynamic kit. So the oil is being drained now. First service and the oil being drained out. At the 1.7 liter alla. So the oil to replace the one drained out right now is this True 4 Race Pro. That's from TVS. It's a synthetic oil again, and it is of 1.7 liters. So okay, oil filter is out. Chain is being cleaned. You can see the difference it makes. The color has completely changed. You can see how clean that looks. That's how it looks once it's cleaned. Is replacing the new oil filter now. And that's how it looks. That's it. That's tightened into its place. Now that we have a new oil filter, we'll be changing the gaskets. This is the brand new one, that's the old one. Okay, he's adjusting the chain now. Step adjustment. Chain adjustment is done. Pretty much tight. Good fit. Engine oil goes in here. All 1.7 liters of it. Okay, all 1.7 liters of oil is in the oil compartment or the oil chamber. It's being tightened now. Oh, that's done. He's lubing the chain now. That's how the lubrication should be done. Service is pretty much done. All that is left is once it's down, the shock absorbers will be adjusted to my specifications, and once that's done, yes, there's one more thing. I need these levers adjusted. It's a little bit upwards, so I've asked them to lower it a little. Once that's done, yes, I think we're pretty much done here. We'll be leaving. He's oiling all the parts that require oil. He's lubing them up so that there's good and active play in it. He's adjusting the levers now. Let me check if it feels right. Alright, so that's set according to my specifications now. I can rest my hand easy on it. So clutch is done. Now it's the turn of the brake lever. Pretty good. Setting up the next service reminder. This is the device. So the programming is done. It's been set up now. It's all complete and waterproof now, because it has a flap on it. I was gonna put the seats in. Hey guys, I'm back from the service center. The service is pretty much done now. All the necessary updates are done on the vehicle, as in oil change, filter change, chain lubrication, chain setting. I made some adjustments to the shocks as well. I've asked them to do it and they've done it in front of me. Made some lever adjustments. Alright guys, now back home from the service center. Now I'm gonna add the 40 additive shooter into the tank. So this is where I got my bike service done, PRN Motors LLP, Kalyan Nagar. Let me go through the build details first. We've got to concentrate on the taxable column here. This is where the actual pricing is mentioned. So this was the filter change that costed us 231 rupees. The aluminium washer that costed us 3 rupees, and then the engine oil that costed us 1408 rupees, and then the chain cleaning and lubrication costed us 440, 796 and 350. Consumable, which is usage of waste cloth or any other things that are used by the technician, that costed us 100 rupees, and then a wax polish 100 rupees. So the total bill came up to 3053. This is the first service, and the first service costed us 3053.